sonnet by Konal Vyogi, 24 hours. You be a beggar or a great monarch, renowned intellectual or a pious sage. You may be in youth or you in old age. An insect you may be or a high soaring lark. God, the great owner, is the impartial one. He has no favorite, partiality eschews. So without fail, he every day renews, and hours 24 denies to none. You use them as you wish or as you may, in sacred service or narcotic haze, in laziness or in creature blaze. He takes no notice, gives them every day. But just remember, listen, take account, that every moment in the end does count.